Okay, we're going to have a look at yesterday's trade ideas that I sent into VIP, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage of these signals. I mean, let's just run through quickly and have a look at the results. Okay, I'll just flip through and then I'll come back and I'll explain each one of these. Okay, so this was yesterday, and the instruction was just wait for the next buy signal and take the trade. Extremely profitable day for anybody who follows this. Okay, so this went into down in here. This and what we're doing with the watch list, there's two things. One, I'm going to place an idea like, yeah, it'll be something like this. Okay, so we had Aussie yen, CAD yen. Here we go. Look, I posted these in there. So I'm going to give you, yeah, I'm long the pound yen. All right, that was one trade. And then the next one was CAD Swiss. Wait for the pullback, take the next buy signal. CAD yen, wait for the pullback, take the next buy signal. So all you've got to do is come in here, and this one was a bit volatile, but we're looking for, after I post this, just come in here and set the VWAP and the Momentum Sync, these two here. You set these two alerts. All you got to do, 3 dots, add alert, and it's just take the next buy signal, there it is, once per bar close, if you like, and create, okay, 30-minute chart, or once per bar. Set the next buy signal, so you've got the Momentum Sync, and you've got the VWAP. All right, and the VWAP will give you these up triangles and the up green, you see the green label and the green triangle. So you're just waiting for either one. It's the same thing, it's just come in here, 3 dots, add alert, and you can go all bullish in this case, right? All bullish. And so we're just looking for, this white line is the New York session. So after the session opens, whether it's London or New York, we just wait for the next signal. Here it is right there. Take the trade. Stop loss, well, you'd go under the previous low if you don't see green dots. And I'm suggesting that you go for a 1R, close 60%, and then move your stop loss up halfway the distance of your stop. CAD Swiss, this was it. Look for the pullback, take the next buy. There it is. Now the stop loss in this case goes right on the green dots. If you see the cloud and you're above the cloud or below it, you go on the green or red dots. That's 5R. And you know, you got these signals here to close as well. This is an exit signal. So you can set that through the trend channel. There it is, right there with the arrows pointing. All right, so if you want the exit, just come in here, 3 dots, add alert, any reversal TP exit alert, create. All right, so and take 60% off 1R, and then if you like, you can close at that exit point there. Same thing, the CAD yen was another one. Wait for the pullback. There's the pullback here. Take the next buy signal. This is the London Open, right? So you just run in, as long as you're after the session open, take it, all right? There's your dots, green dots for the stop loss. There's the exit point up there, all right? 60% off at 1R. It doesn't get any easier than this, guys. Seriously, it's handed to you on a platter. Take it. Just reach out and grab it and make a difference. Stop loss in this case, if you're in the cloud, would go under the previous swing low, or you could use these lines here. There's your entry. There's a TP right there if you want to close it there, or you can just keep trailing it if you want. The pound yen. That's your entry point. Look at this trade. There's your stop loss down in here. You've got exit points. If you wanted to, you could have closed here, or just take partials and follow the rest up. There's your next exit point. That's what? That's a 3R. And then dollar Swiss. Now, we're not always going to get a bullish day. Sometimes we'll get, the market will run against occasionally, and there won't be a signal. So you just don't take the signal. All right, so if this was to turn around and head south, let's just say we're looking for, where can we find an example? Let's say, well, this is the Asian session. I wouldn't be opening a trade right before the Asian session. So most of them are going to be London and New York. All right, the Asian session, I'm generally active in there trading that, but the signals are going to be set up for London. This is the blue line, and New York here. So yeah, here's the case. Look, I would say this was bullish. If that was, let's just say this was bullish. Maybe it's not, but let's just say it was, right? And it's one of those times when the bullish trade at the end of the trend or whatever, or, you know, there's market manipulation and it's a deep pullback. So I would say something like, take the next pullback. We're looking for a buy signal on the next pullback. All right. So if that's the case, and then we're here, this is the London Open, London or New York. That's when you're going to be looking for these trades. There's no bullish signal, so there's no trade unless you want to, if it's counter trend, you want to take that short. Okay, you got sell signal. So if there's a signal, you take it. If there's no signal, don't take it. Don't trade right before the session open. Wait till after. That's all you got to do. So this is extremely profitable if you follow what is written in here. If you follow this, look, wait for a pullback, take the next green signal. All right, you've got your entry, stop loss, TP, you've got everything just seriously handed to you on a platter. I mean, this is just, it's as easy as paint by numbers. The indicators are complex. Don't get complicated. Take that next green signal, go. All right, you can join. It's free for 7 days. Just run with this, guys. It's only $29.95 after that. Okay, I believe there's a need for this. So many people are struggling. This is an opportunity, and I don't want to have to try to convince you. You'll either see this opportunity or you won't. All right, so I'll leave that up to you. So with that, yeah, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.